கொஞ்சம் யோசிக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம். அடுத்த விஷயம் வேணும். No comments. Hello, I'm Asif. So what you're looking at the back, this is where I spent my last 1 year. I came to MH with the passion of teaching, but also I wanted to learn. Oh, a learning experience it has been. I've been involved and I got involved in so many things like shoots, animations, academic delivery, AI content creation, something that I never thought my field would actually have to touch.
Who at MH is most likely to call you even after you've left?
Okay, that's a difficult question. Well, I have over my past year gathered a lot of friends and colleagues. But if there was someone who would call me, I would, well, for a fact, much of my colleagues here have been my batchmates at NFTI. So if I have to take them out, I would say my team manager, Captain Paul, would be likely calling me, and some of my other colleagues who have asked me a lot of doubt about my process with the airline. But other than that, if it's a question about who is more likely to send me reels, then I think it's you. It's you who's gonna do that.
I hope you see my reels for that.
I do. Once a week, I have a reminder for that.
What smell, sound or routine will instantly remind you of MH years from now?
Okay, wow. I would want to say it is the coffee machine sound each time after he disposes a drink. But no, that is more like a pleasant memory. My traumatic sound is the camera button turning on and off. Oh my God. Each time I hear it, I hear shutters down my spine. Not kidding.
What's one thing you will carry from MH into every flight going forward?
Okay, so team coordination, team management is something that flying schools want to teach us, and they do teach us. But being a part of such a diverse team, which has multiple segments in MH, IT, aviation, animation, so the coordination that I had, the exposure that I had to the different fields, so managing people with different skill sets, that's something I guess I would take to the cockpit with me.
If MH was a chapter in your life, what would the chapter be called?